How do you separate a layer in Photoshop so it's on a transparent background and exactly the size of your object? Here I have an avocado that's drawn in Photoshop, and I accidentally drew it on the white background, so nothing is separate. So if I move this, everything moves together. The easiest way to do that is take any selection tool. For example, here I have the quick selection tool, and then simply select subject. This will do a pretty good job of finding the subject and selecting it, then press Ctrl-C or Command-C to copy it. While you have it pasted on the clipboard, press Command-N or Control-N to make a new document. This will automatically make a document the size of your clipboard. Just click Create. If you want to speed up the process, you can choose transparent as your background color, but I often forget that, so I'm going to create it with a white background. Then if I press Command or Control-V, it'll paste it right where it belongs. The only problem doing it this way is I need to delete the background. I can do that simply by clicking the lock, unlocking it, and then pressing delete. Now I have a transparent PNG. It's exactly the size of my background. This is really good for making video game sprites and using them in web documents. Once you have it set up like this, go to File, Export, Quick Export PNG. Choose where you're going to save it. I'll type avocado.png, and that'll save it. Once it's saved, you can now use this in any application where you want to use a transparent PNG. Hopefully this allows you to quickly make a transparent PNG with some sort of character art and then make it the exact size of your artwork.